Welcome to today's review of the 2025 GMC C10 Pickup Truck. If you're a fan of classic American trucks with a modern twist, this one's for you. The 2025 model of the GMC C10 brings back the spirit of the iconic C10 series, blending the best of vintage charm with cutting-edge features and performance enhancements. Let's dive into what makes this truck special. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 GMC C10 stays true to its roots while adopting a more refined and muscular presence. The first thing you'll notice is the bold front grille, which features a distinctive chrome-scented design that gives it a rugged yet modern look. The headlamps are sleek and sharp, with LED technology providing superior illumination and an unmistakable signature light design that makes the truck stand out both day and night. The body lines are clean and purposeful, with an aggressive stance that suggests this truck means business. The modern C10 sports wider wheel arches and flared fenders that add to its muscular profile. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, from classic shades to more contemporary tones, this truck is a real head-turner. The bed of the 2025 C10 has been reworked for better utility and durability. You'll find more than enough space for hauling anything from tools to camping gear or even a couple of motorcycles. The bed is crafted from high-strength steel with reinforced corners and offers optional features like a power-operated tailgate for ease of use. It's designed for both looks and practicality, able to handle heavy lifting without compromising on aesthetics. Inside the 2025 GMC C10 is a blend of comfort, technology, and practicality. The interior design reflects a mix of vintage inspiration and modern luxury. The dashboard layout retains a hint of the original C10's old-school charm, but now it's outfitted with a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system. GMC has equipped this truck with the latest technology, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The seats are made from high-quality leather, and they're not just comfortable but also supportive, making long drives or tough terrain feel easy. The front seats are power-adjustable, ensuring that drivers of all sizes will find their perfect position. The cabin is spacious, offering plenty of legroom and headspace, especially in the rear seats, making it a perfect choice for those who need extra seating or often travel with passengers. The materials used throughout the cabin are premium, with soft-touch surfaces and stylish finishes that reflect the truck's upscale positioning in the market. When it comes to performance, the 2025 GMC C10 does not disappoint. It offers a range of powerful engine options to suit different needs. The base engine is a 5.3-liter V8, delivering plenty of horsepower and torque for daily driving and towing. For those who crave more power, there's an option for a 6.2-liter V8 that packs even more punch, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and responsive acceleration. The 2025 C10 also comes with the latest in off-road technology. Its advanced suspension system offers a smooth ride on highways, but it also tackles rugged trails with ease. Whether you're looking to tow a trailer or just enjoy a weekend adventure in the wild, this truck can handle it all. It also features modern safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, making it one of the safest trucks on the road. Now, let's talk about the pricing for the 2025 GMC C10. The base model starts at around $50,000, which is quite reasonable, considering the performance and features packed into this truck. For those looking for more luxury and additional features like advanced off-road capabilities, the higher trims can go up to $70,000. While it's on the higher end of the price spectrum for pickups, the GMC C10 delivers on both performance and comfort, making it a solid investment for those in the market for a new truck. To sum it up, the 2025 GMC C10 Pickup Truck is a perfect mix of old-school charm and modern performance. Whether you're after a classic truck look, cutting-edge tech, or an unbeatable driving experience, this truck is hard to beat. With its powerful engines, upscale interior, and eye-catching exterior, it's set to be a favorite among truck enthusiasts. If you're looking for a workhorse that also doubles as a stylish ride, the 2025 GMC C10 should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for watching today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next one.